Nona. Somebody told me that they released a night version of this. Y'all are educating me on a lot. The ANGKOT, there was like a big bus, but the real one was like the blue minivan that came in. Appreciate y'all. Please keep on teaching me. I love learning because I didn't learn that much in school. And that's fine because we're always learning, even if you're just an old fart like me. Anyways, again, to those who are going to Hidden Clouds, I'm not able to go to Hidden Clouds, but if you have footage, please send it my way. I will love to live through you. Please. I do have a Discord. DM it to me on my Instagram, whatever. Email it to me. I don't know. But let's get into this. Let's watch this dance practice or performance. Honk. Honk? What the hell is that right here? The brigade? Oh, they pulling up on the honk bus. It kind of look like a Jamaican colored bus. Ooh, they on that. Oh, all black, everything. Denim. They always looking so good. Wait, hold on. Is this? They said as high as it could be. Oh, and those are the ANGKOT behind. Cause y'all taught me that.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put 'em up, post it. Buckle up.
They always slay.
Yeah. You'll be in the backseat.
Hit the gas.
Turn it up.
Hey, hey.
Yeah. Get in the taxi.
Never.
Pass me.
Ready, set, go. I love how playful it is too.
Get on the ANGKOT.
Get on the ANGKOT. It's such a fun song. Get on. Ooh, damn, the knee spins. Go round and round. We are throwing it back as my booty go bounce.
Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my happy
Ooh,
face, and I always come
ooh,
away.
ooh.
Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on the license plate.
Oh my god, girl. There is more, girl. They were shaking ass. I didn't even notice there was motorcycles in the background. There was people in the background.
Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight.
There's people right there. What the hell?
Nona
They just distracted me. They doing wheelies and shit.
Jump to like me. If you're wondering,
I love this part right here.
how I got it on my own.
Oh.
I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night.
She has a great voice, by the way. Get on the ANGKOT. I love doing that. Get on the ANGKOT. Beep, beep. It's pretty addictive. Ooh. I know it's gonna be a party when they perform this, bro. Hey, 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 hey. Get on the ANGKOT. Hey, hey. So good. So good, so good, so good. Listen, y'all better get on the ANGKOT. Y'all better party. You better be beeping. You better. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Nona's Honk. This is another dance performance video at night, I guess. How many more videos y'all gonna be uploading? God damn, I can't keep up. I just need to see more Rafi. Shout out to my homie Rafi. If you know, you know. I know Nona knows Rafi, but shout out to Rafi. I hope to see some content with Nona with him, to be honest. I'll keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.